How to create and log in Genshin Impact account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create and log into your Genshin Impact account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To create and log into your Genshin Impact account, first open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just want to go to genshin.mihoyo.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box as well. Once you go to genshin.mihoyo.com, it will automatically redirect you to genshin.hoyoverse.com, so you can go to that URL as well. Once you're on this side, on the top right hand side, just click on the official site button. As you do that, here you'll find these sorts of options, where you'll just need to click on the option called login on the right hand side at the very top. Once you click on the login option, if you already have your Genshin Impact username, email and password, you can go ahead and then simply sign into your account in this way. But if you have not yet created an account, then what you need to do is just click on the button that's to register now from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you click on the register now button, it will ask you to register by email. So first of all, just go ahead and then make sure to enter an email address on which you would like to create your Genshin Impact account. Once you go ahead and then enter the email address that you want to use, it will ask you to send a verification code to it. So just click on the send button. Once you click on the send button over here, so let me just go ahead and also verify this captcha. It will ask you to verify it. This is just done in order to verify that the person is a real person and not a bot that is scrolling through the internet. Once you do this, it will send a code right over here. So now just go ahead and then open up your Yahoo Mail or whatever else that you might be logged into. And once you go to Yahoo Mail or anywhere else, just make sure to verify that Genshin Impact code. So I'm just going to log into my Yahoo Mail as well. So once I log into my Yahoo Mail, you can see at the very top I have received a verification code from Hoyoverse, right? I'll just open it up and then here you'll find the verification code, where I'll basically just copy this code right over here. And then once I copy this code, if it's not copied, you can also actually enter them manually. You simply want to come back over here and then paste the code. Once you paste the code over here, make sure to simply enter a password. So just go ahead and then choose a password that you would like to create in this case. Once you create your password, make sure to also reconfirm them in the another box. And as you've done that, just click on the option that says register. And as you do that, you should be able to successfully create your Genshin Impact account and log in that way. As you can see, our account has been successfully created. And that's all it takes to create and sign into your Genshin Impact account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.